Ladies and gentlemen, the weekend. And today's cocktail, guys, is the Weekend Martini. I had this in the Blackpool Beach House and it's stuck in my memory ever since. This is the ingredients and I think this is close as what I can get to it, and I can't wait to show you guys my creation of the Weekend Martini. So to make the Weekend Martini, guys, let's get straight into this. So what we're going to do is do a dry shake first. So get your cocktail shaker and add the ingredients. First ingredient to the shaker, guys, is 60ml or 2 ounces of lemon gin. You can use a lemon and lime gin if you wish, if you've got it. Next, 30ml or 1 ounce of fresh lemon juice. Next, 25ml, which is just over 3/4 of an ounce of apricot liqueur. That's what makes this drink. Next, 20ml or 0.7 ounce of Limoncello. Last but not least, 50ml or half an ounce of simple or sugar syrup. Last ingredient, you can put in egg whites, but I'm using Better Bitters Miraculous Foamer. I prefer this because it doesn't have that horrible smell with the egg whites, and it's just as good, as you will see why. So we've got to add 1 pipette, so give it a squeeze. There we go. Now shake it for 8 to 10 seconds, give it a nice foam, and then add the ice afterwards. So this is the dry shake. So take the lid off and add the ice. Put your lid back on and now give it a hard shake, 8 to 10 seconds to get nice and chilled again. So get a coupe glass and strain into it. So the reason we do a double shake is to give it a nice foamy head, as you'll see. So what I'll do is give you a nice close-up shot of what it looks like now. It's turned out absolutely beautiful. That, guys, is the Weekend Martini. The final thing to do now is to garnish it with a piece of thyme. And there we go, ladies and gentlemen, the Weekend Martini is an absolute beautiful drink. I really recommend it, as I will taste it, as I will give you my thoughts. Doesn't it look absolutely beautiful, the Weekend Martini? As I recall, when I had it at Blackpool, it's a nice sweet gin cocktail, and it's just the flavours that taste, the most flavours that you get out of it is the apricot liqueurs. It really makes this drink a nice little bit of simple, nice balance to it, just a nice little sweet taste. But the simple syrup sugar syrup, that's my little addition to it, along with the Limoncello, just to make it stand out even more. It tastes like heaven. It's absolutely beautiful. If it's not quite the same recipe, it's near enough there, and it's absolutely banging. But your gin cocktails are normally sour with your gin because it's quite a sour spirit, the gin. But with the apricot liqueur in it just gives it that nice, fruity, beautiful taste with it. The apricot like really brings out the sweetness of this drink. It's an absolutely beautiful cocktail. A nice garnish with the thyme. But with the nice garnish, just a beautifully decorated drink, and the taste is absolutely beautiful. It's just unique. It's a nice, beautiful taste. I can't say it enough. It's close to 9. If I had to give it a score, I think I'd give it 9.5 out of 10. I remember Jason loving this in Blackpool, and it's like, it just really stands out. It's absolutely beautiful. It's an absolutely beautifully crafted cocktail, and it's just beautiful. I would have again if I ever go back to Blackpool Beach House, as it's just absolutely fantastic. This is as close as what I can get to it. But that is my recipe. I really recommend it. The Weekend Martini is a must try. I really recommend you have this cocktail. It is beautiful. As that, guys, is my recipe for this cocktail. Let me know if you ever do make this drink. Let me know your thoughts, as I really want to hear from you if you do make this, as it's really recommend it. But that, guys, is the Weekend Martini, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Mix It for more cocktails like this, as well on the road to 2K, as I will see you guys for my next cocktail video. Cheers. Tastes like the weekend.